Hey dreamers, look, it finally came. Well, it did. I'm saying finally, but it didn't take a long time. This neck back massager. At first it was $20. And I was looking at it and looking at all the people, looking at all the people like, ooh, this feels so good, whatever, Now you can see my face now. I'm gonna bend down so you can see this. But I'm getting ready to unbox this. So let's open this up. Can you see it? All right. So this is it. It comes in this plastic. It's some directions on how to use it. And it's not hard to hook up. You got a power cord for your car. And it's the other power cord right here. I already got it plugged up. And we're gonna try it out. So what we're gonna do is this little cord here, we're just gonna connect it in. Now this is the neck massager by Daily Life. Daily Life. I'm gonna put it on over my neck here. I plugged it in. This is the little power buttons, and if you wanted to go in a different direction, try it out. I'm turning it on. I'm gonna put some, see what it do. Okay. Let's get in my neck. I got this knot right here on my neck, so I'm gonna try to put it on that. Oh, whew, okay. I'm relaxing. Even though I'm sitting up, I'm relaxing and letting it do its work. Oh yeah. Oh. I just wanted to see if those people that was on there was lying and, just trying to sell this device. But I don't know. Let me try it a little bit. Okay, I just changed it a little bit. Yeah. I'm gonna speed it up. Ooh. And you can slide it down. Ooh, right there. You can slide it down your back. You don't have to be so high up, just so I can get the spot that you want. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, they wasn't lying. And you can adjust it and let it hit right in the spot where you have a knot or an ache or a pain. This is worth that $35 I paid. Oh, I should have got it when it was 20. Then it went up to 25, and I'm looking at it and looking at it. Then it went up to 30. And I'm still looking like, I wonder, is this really gonna work? Because they have a lot of gimmick products out here. But oh my goodness. Woo! Okay, let's bring it down a little bit. Oh. Oh, that's it. We on fixed incomes, y'all. We over 50. And, shoot, you can't go get a massage all the time. But this right here is a good substitute. I'm about to turn it right. Oh. Let's get that spot. Okay. Lord have mercy, y'all. This is a good product. It worked. Because when people find out how good this is, they going to raise the price on this. Woo! And I'm not being sponsored by Daily Life or no type of massage, neck massage, nothing. I just wanted to share this with y'all because it's at 35 and it went up from 20. Ooh, okay. Let me bring it back up a little bit. All right, dreamers. The most important thing is to live your dreams. They're your dreams. Live your dreams. Mwah. Woo. This is good. Thank you for watching, dreamers.